Karan Johar. There is nothing to say about his hatred towards the outsiders in the industry. Karan Johar is infamous for nepotism. Karan himself is a nepo kid and mostly gives chances to the nepotism products in the silver screen. Karan Johar is often spotted mocking the outsiders along with the star kids in his talk show Coffee with Karan. Salman Khan. The Bhaijan of Bollywood is a product of nepotism in the industry as he is the son of filmmaker Salim Khan. Salman Khan hates outsiders in the industry and prefers to launch only the star kids or his closed ones in the industry. He has launched star kids like Suraj Pancholi, Athiya Shetty, Sonakshi Sinha, Sai Manjrekar. He launched his brother-in-law Ayush Sharma. Kareena Kapoor. Bad-mouthed Bollywood actress Kareena Kapoor is spoiled star kid in the Bollywood industry and she hates outsiders. She has dated only star kids in her life like Hrithik Roshan, Shahid Kapoor and Saif Ali Khan. She has even mocked several outsiders like Deepika Padukone, Bipasha Basu, Priyanka Chopra, Dia Mirza. Alia Bhatt. Alia is one of the most famous star kids in the industry and she is infamous for her cold behavior towards outsiders. As per reports, she cannot stand outsiders just like her mentor Karan Johar and she has often mocked outsiders. Sonam Kapoor. Anil Kapoor's daughter Sonam Kapoor never thinks twice before saying anything and she hates outsiders a lot. Sonam has always been spotted mocking and making fun of outsiders along with her star kid friends in the industry. Many times she has mocked the fashion sense of outsiders and body shamed several people on national television. Ananya Pandey. This new and young star kid is another launch of Karan Johar and she just like her mentor. Ananya never accepts that she got a chance because of her connections in the industry and she is friends only with star kids. Janhvi Kapoor. She was launched by Karan and she tries to maintain her distance from the outsiders and shares a great bond with star kids only. Sara Ali Khan. Saif Ali Khan's daughter started her career with an outsider actor and their on-screen chemistry looked good. But their off-screen chemistry was not good at all as Sara does not like outsiders and she wants to work with popular stars only. Arjun Kapoor. Boney Kapoor's son Arjun also hates outsiders and is often spotted mocking them indirectly during chat shows. Suraj Pancholi. Salman Khan launched Suraj in the industry and he's just like his mentor Salman Khan and hates outsiders. Sonakshi Sinha. Shatrughan Sinha's daughter Sonakshi's friend circle is full of star kids and she doesn't share great bond with any outsider in the industry. Athiya Shetty. Sunil Shetty's daughter also hates outsiders and shares good terms with only star kids. Ayush Sharma. Launched by Salman Khan, Ayush is just like his brother-in-law Salman Khan and Ayush too hates outsiders in the industry. Abhimanyu Dasani. This young actor's hatred towards outsiders was very much clear through his interview with Rajiv Masand. Share your thoughts about the star kids and their hatred in the comment section and subscribe to our channel for more Bollywood updates.